Hey everyone, today we're diving into RoTiles, the Match 3 puzzle app that promises you real rewards and payouts. On the surface, RoTiles looks harmless. Simple tile matching gameplay, colors, big earn messages. But when you look closer, things get shaky. According to multiple user reports on Reddit, the XP or level up thresholds keep shifting, and tracking fails at key stages, making payouts extremely uncertain. One reviewer says, "I wasted my time. Got scammed." There is no clear evidence of consistent withdrawals or transparent payout system. The game is still labeled early access in some places, which means features may be unstable or unfinished. On the positive side, you can enjoy the game casually. Good for a few minutes of fun. But if you joined expecting to earn money, you should adjust your expectations. Verdict: RoTiles may be fun as a casual puzzle app, but as a real earning platform, it has too many red flags. Use it for entertainment, not income.